not even
more about the August
phased
8th
yet. I'm
adult
moving.
student open house. Visit Wright.edu/transfer today. At Chipotle.
Dude,
Apparently,
Bird,
we're
what the
doing this
heck?
fast food thing the wrong way.
Oh my God.
Fast typically isn't prepared with this much care.
What is it doing?
I don't know.
Like our cheese and sour cream.
It's just hanging out on the car. All right. Okay.
I mean, what are you supposed to do?
I don't know.
Never seen that
And the people
before.
behind me are probably like, what are you doing?
I
Drive
know,
your
but if you
car.
go too fast, it's going to splash right into the windshield.
I know, I don't want to splatter.
Oh my God.
Fly away, birdie. We're going to go over some bones.
I've never seen that before.
He's going to break his leg.
He's like, man, I'm good at flying. I'm going to have to flap my wings.
We're going to make it all the way home.
I don't know.
This is slow, because I'm going slow.
I don't want to get a video of him splashing into the windshield, though.
I know.
I mean, really.
Is he like...
He's just looking
Every
around.
time I stop, he doesn't even fly away. I keep thinking, okay, he'll go.
Mama.